Hello, this is David again. I am a certified internet research specialist, and I will share some of the Google search tips and tricks in this volume 2 of the training series. You are watching the series of informative videos prepared by the Association of Internet Research Specialists. The search uses an operator file type to find terms within a particular file format. In Query Search Tip 1, you will find that searching in different file types simultaneously with one query string is possible. We can build query strings in two ways, as shown below in queries A and B. However, not all are correct in their forms and formats, and here is why. In query A, two instances of file type seek terms match in Excel files and Word documents simultaneously. But this query format fails and gives null results. Theoretically, it is bound to fail because the operator file type is an absolute command and therefore should not coexist with another instance of the same command. A workaround to the restriction is shown in query B. You will notice in B that we have inserted the Boolean OR, which overcomes the restriction to make the query search both file types simultaneously. Remember that the OR treats the choice as select both formats and find terms in at least one of two formats. Therefore, query B is correct to execute with desirable results. Moving on to query C, note that whenever multiple file types are run and compete with PDF, the results will invariably ignore XLS and find results in PDF. The PDF format appears to have precedence over other file formats and ignores them in CIRS. A PDF search in a single query string is recommended to be effective without adding other formats, as shown in query D. And it is best to apply multiple file types with formats other than PDF shown in query E. A query F recommends using a minus sign next to the operator file type that excludes searching the PDF formats. Summarizing all, the queries B, D, E, and F are correct to use. Query A is structurally incorrect, and query C, while valid in its form and format, is not as effective. Here is the query search tip 2. Did you know that it is possible to look for search terms in multiple domains with the cite operator? But when applying it, as shown in query example A, you will get a null result. So, why is that? This is because the cite operation is an absolute command and should not coexist with the two occurrences of the same operator, or it starts to contradict each other's presence, thereby creating a conflict. In order to overcome a conflicting command, we must use the Boolean OR option, shown in query B, for successful search outcomes from both domains, that is, Pinterest.com and AOFIRS.org, without causing a conflict. Therefore, query A is incorrect, while query B is correct to execute. With the two tips for using Booleans or in Google search, we conclude volume 2 of the web search tips and tricks. We continue to add subsequent volumes as more become available. Thank you for watching. See you soon.